Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a boomerang video on Snapchat. But before I start with the video, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat app, then you just want to record any type of video. So what you want to do is scroll down until you see this, I don't know what's it called, but this icon, and you can basically click play once, loop it, bounce specific parts, so this would be the closest to the boomerang there is. So just make sure that it's on pause and create the part of the video that you want. Then of course you want to send it to somebody, click send to, and that's pretty much it. Please subscribe and like this video. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.